In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture screenshots on your Chromebook and seamlessly insert them into a Google Docs document. Whether you need to capture an entire screen or just a specific portion, this tutorial will guide you through the steps and have you set up for success in no time. Let's start with taking a screenshot on your Chromebook. If you're looking to grab an image of your entire screen, press the Ctrl key together with the Show Windows key. The Show Windows key is situated in the top row of your keyboard and is typically represented by a rectangle icon accompanied by two lines, much like what you might see on your F5 key. Once you press these keys simultaneously, everything visible on your screen will be captured and automatically saved to your downloads folder. But what if you only want to capture a specific section, perhaps just a particular window or segment of your screen? It's just as simple. Press Ctrl, Shift, and the Show Windows key all at once. After doing this, click and drag your mouse to highlight the area you want to capture. As soon as you release the mouse button, that specific segment is saved to your downloads folder, just like the full screen screenshot. With your screenshot saved, it's time to move on to your Google Docs document. To do this, open up your web browser and navigate to docs.google.com. If you haven't already signed into your Google account, take a moment to do so now, because without logging in, you won't be able to access your documents. Once you're logged in, you can choose to open an existing document you've been working on or start fresh with a new one. With your Google Docs document open, let's move on to inserting that screenshot. First, place your cursor exactly where you want your screenshot to appear in the document. Next, head to the top of your screen and click on the Insert menu. Hover over Image and select the option to Upload from Computer. A window will pop up, allowing you to browse your files. Navigate to your Downloads folder, which is where your Chromebook conveniently saved the screenshot earlier. Find your screenshot file, select it, and click on Open. Voila! Your screenshot will appear in your document right where you positioned your cursor earlier. You may wish to take a moment to resize or reposition it to perfectly suit your document's style. Resizing is straightforward. Just click on the image and you'll see little blue boxes appear at the corners. Drag these boxes to adjust the image to your preferred size, and there you have it, a clean insertion of your Chromebook screenshot directly into Google Docs. With this newfound skill, you'll save time and can make your documents much more dynamic. Thanks for following along, and happy screenshotting!